You ever have one of those days when you swear you could break a digital watch just by putting it on, simply because it's electronic? I've had those days. They call them GoPro days. So I shot a whole bunch of video, and part of that video was some stickers that I got. Really cool stickers. Most of them going on vices that I'm building for people. Uh, kind of like we did for 8-bit baits, but unfortunately, went to upload the video. It said corrupt file. Thanks, GoPro. So we're going to just trudge along. And we're going to look at those stickers that I got. Some really cool stickers. You're going to see. So the first one up is from a guy that we all know and love. DVL Custom Lures. This guy makes some really nice jigs. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, you need to go over there on YouTube and look him up. DVL Custom Lures. And check out what he's doing. That guy's got about every wire bender ever invented. Except one. And that's the one that I make. This little doohickey here. So, yeah, when I send you your vise, you're going to find a little bender in there. The way this thing works is you stick your wire up through that slot underneath that screw, and you stick that, 3/4 of the way to the end of that plate. Then you put this rod on there, and the rod has some little pins in it. You got a long distance pin and a short distance pin, which just simply determines the size of your loop. Now, what is a split ring? Now, we all know that you fight and struggle with the split rings to put a spinner blade and a swivel on a jig. Well, instead of fighting with that spinner blade and swivel and getting it on there, and then you got just a little U-bend in the end of your jig wire, and after you get all that on, you fold that U-bend over, and about half the time the fish gets the thrashing around and it throws that spinner blade off into the lily pad where a frog eats it. So I got to thinking, man, if that went all the way around and around and around and around like those split rings, it couldn't spit that spinner off. So I made this, and I'll stick my spinner wire in there, put that down, and then I just give it a round and round and round and around a couple times until it clicks free. And what you end up with is a completely formed split ring. Now you feed your swivel and your spinner blade on there. Give her a good little tweak so that she's bent down a little bit. And you're a lot less likely to have that spinner blade fly off into the barren desert beach where a three-eyed rattlesnake is waiting to eat it. When you get your air vise, you'll have one of these in there, and you can give her a twirl and see what you think. Let's get on and see what was sent to me. Contestant number 1, DVL Custom Lures. Let's see what we got in here. Now these are some sweet stickers. Nice holographic. He must be printing his own. This is on square, but I can see where it's cut round. That's a sharp looking sticker. I like that one. Real solid, got a lot of body to it. And then you got the color ones. These are all very nice stickers. Ooh, that one's really, really nice. And then we got the holographic ones in the larger size. And that one, well, I'm wondering if those aren't glow in the dark. They kind of look like they would glow. But now this is one, see, my owner opens all of my mail. I guess she wants to make sure if there's a letter bomb, she's getting it to the right division. But this is one that she almost stole. Look at that, the squirrel. Squirrel! In 2 different colors. If she ever gets nice to me, I might let her share one. But in the meantime, these are definitely going up on the cabinet. We're going to keep that squirrel in line. Well, thank you, sir. These are absolutely phenomenal. Real Custom Lures. Jeff over there, he does great jobs. Really got to watch his videos. Fantastic lures and even cool stickers. Thank you, Jeff. One of those is going on a vise that I'm building for him. Now this next one, you got to bear in mind, he let a girl come up with his name. And the next one, you know him by the label. That little seal ain't none other than another fat guy called Obesity Baits. All American fish food. I like these bags. These are cool bags. This is a 3.5 inch Ned Bullet split tail in a blue craw color. Warning. Do not eat. Choking hazard. This product is not intended for human consumption. Keep out of reach of children. I guess, yeah, you gotta have warning on baits now, but a blue craw color. Boy, those are nice. Those are very nice. And they say right there on them, Obesity Baits. You guys get it? I guess his daughter helped him name this. Obesity. Obesity Baits. Boy, I've heard it called a lot of things. But it's Obesity Baits. Let's see what else we got in here. Some little squishy can keeper warmers. If you like warm sody pop, you know that was a thing back in the 50s. Oh, look at this. Feed the fish. Nice holographic. That one's definitely glow. You can see that. I can see it glowing from here. Fuzzy Balls Obesity Baits. And yeah. Wow, some sharp looking stickers. He has got the market cornered on sharp looking stickers, that's for sure. And cozies. And a cool bait bag. Nice bait type and color. I like those bait bags. I was going to get some at one time, but I decided I'm just not quite rich enough to get that. What else have we got in here? Something with bubblies on it. Wow, would you look at that? Little keychains. Obesity Baits. They're little injectors. Now those are nifty. We won't let the owner see those, so I wouldn't have them. So, thank you, sir. Squirrel. Well, let's check it out now. Up here on the Doors of Fame. Right there. Look at that. Real Custom Lures. And the squirrel. And then, of course, got the guy that let a girl come up with his name. That does it for getting the stickers and all the cool stuff. So let's hope that maybe someday I'll grow an extra brain cell and get rid of these GoPros and get a real camera. Until then, if you're ready for the fight, trigger the strike.
Sank in the mud, moon's just a busted bowl. Breath held on the dock edge, every heartbeat dull and loud. Cold steel in my palm, knuckles scarred and tight. Line cuts through that black glass as I aim into the night. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One tremor on that surface, and I'm the next one scattered. Trigger the strike, yeah. Trigger the strike. DVL Custom Lures, built for the fight. Cast it deep, let it fall, built to hunt through it all. In the dark where they hide. DVL strike. Precision engineered to bite. DVL built for the strike. Stumps like crooked teeth, old bones on the lake floor. Something mean down there, never seen the bank before. I feed it one small sin, chrome flash, blood red eyes. Let that monster taste it, then I rip it to the sky. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One heartbeat, one mistake, and they drag me to the black hole. Trigger the strike.